morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Okay, hello. I just made some coffee, as you saw, and I'm eating Cheerios because I have to get ready because we're gonna go get my grandpa a Christmas gift, and I need to pick up some stuff so that I can bake cookies today, and maybe go pick up some more blind boxes so that we can do our little blind box unboxing portion of the video later. So yeah, I'm not gonna do anything too crazy because one thing about me is I like wearing makeup. I hate taking it off, and so if the less makeup I have to take off, the better. But I do kind of feel like I need a little something on my face today because I'm gonna actually leave the house and be in public settings. If you guys would ever want like an in-depth makeup tutorial, this is not in-depth. This is like literally blush powder and mascara. But if you guys were to ever want that, we could maybe do that during one of the days of Vlogmas. Just like an easy video for me to do because like I've already missed a day. I'm kind of all over the place. But you know what? It's fine. It's fine. We push through, but if you guys do want to see that, we can make that happen. Okay, I'm back. I got everything that I needed. I didn't need that much. And we're gonna make Christmas cookies now. Okay, I think these are all my ingredients. You have flour, vanilla extract, powdered sugar, unsalted butter, and what are these called? Sprinkles. My brain is not working. Okay. I'm gonna open this one first. I don't want the clown. The clown is kind of ugly. Ow! Oh my god, my nails are not long enough for this. Or strong enough. No, it's fine. It's fine. Okay. I don't know. I either want the cow or the dragon fruit. Oh, it's a little lime. It's a little lime axolotl. It's so cute. This is one of the ones that I got, Alicia. It's so cute. Okay. Okay, moment of truth. If I don't get bullseye, I swear to God, I'm giving up. Okay. So, I'm scared. Oh, come on. Oh, it's a little truck. What's his name? I forgot. Oh, the RC. RC. So cute. Okay. I actually like him. Slinky. I wanted Slinky and Bullseye. If this is Bullseye, I'm gonna be so happy. No. Oh my god, it's the alien! The claw!
The claw.
Oh, I love the aliens. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna open another one of my advent calendar. Day 8. Ooh. This is my F1 advent calendar. What car is this? I think it's another Ferrari. Can you focus? I'm gonna open day 9. Oh, I got 2 in this one. I know I just said I wanted another person. We have McLaren. And I'm pretty sure this is a Williams. Yay! Cute. Okay, I need to get this out. We have our chilled dough. Okay, I'm watching Stranger Things right now. I'm going to finish off this vlog. I know it's been a few days. I just got really busy with finals and everything, so I'm finishing off the vlog here. Also, an update on the cookies. They turned out so good. I will probably make them again in the next few days. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!